cakey.
It just feels so heavy.
To get these flawless results without the cakiness but look years younger instantly, we have big news. Luminess has taken Airbrush and now made it easy for every day. Call or go to getbreeze.com during our New Year's sale to get our all-new Breeze cordless airbrush that applies both makeup and skincare fast and easy with flawless results that look years younger in just seconds.
It's a new year, it's a new me. The Breeze, it looks so natural.
Putting the drops in.
Just hit the button real simple.
So easy. It knows exactly where it needs to blend and where it needs to go.
The makeup you're using can look dry and cakey and can make your skin look rough. But with Breeze, you can go from this to this. The secret is how our premium foundations blend onto the skin with an ultra-fine mist using the power of air. Very little foundation is needed, up to 10 times less makeup compared to what you're using. But you're also getting 3 times more coverage at the same time. That's maximum coverage using less makeup.
It's for every day. I'm getting 3 times the coverage. I feel like I'm telling a best-kept secret.
Right now, Luminess is having a huge New Year's sale to Get Breeze. It's their best prices of the year.
Call or go to getbreeze.com now. You get our all-in-one Airbrush foundation. It's your anti-aging, moisturizing primer, concealer, and foundation in one simple step. And with so many shades, we give you a color match guarantee. So you're guaranteed the perfect shade that's just right for you. Call or go to getbreeze.com and use this special promo code right now. You get our new Breeze cordless 2-in-1 airbrush to try at home for only $19.95. And you'll even get free shipping. Plus, we give you a full 30-day money-back guarantee.
So easy. It's not like I thought it would be. It's much easier.
It is literally the same size as a smartphone.
It
y'all.
is. Look at that.
So bye-bye to cakey makeup.
Call or go to getbreeze.com during our New Year's sale.
Order your new cordless handheld Breeze now. Call 800-701-7105 or go to getbreeze.com. Order now.